Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable mobile notifications with Expo and FlutterFlow apps step by step clearly. To enable mobile notifications with Expo and FlutterFlow apps, first ensure you have the latest version. Begin by opening your FlutterFlow project. Navigate to the Settings section of your project. Locate the Notifications tab within the settings. Enable the Push Notifications feature by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, you will need to set up your Expo project. Go to your Expo project directory. Run the command Expo install Expo notifications in your terminal. This will install the necessary package for handling notifications. Once the installation is complete, open the app.js file in your Expo project. Import the Expo notifications package by adding import * as notifications from Expo notifications at the top of your file. Next, request permissions for notifications. Use the notifications.requestPermissions async method to initiate this request. Make sure to handle the response so you know if permissions were granted. In the same file, set up the notification handler. Use notifications.setNotificationHandler to define how notifications should be displayed. Now, create your notification content. You can customize the title, body, and data of the notification using an object. To schedule a notification, call notifications.scheduleNotificationAsync with your notification content. Implement a callback function to manage responses when a user interacts with the notification. Test the notifications by running your app on a physical device or simulator. Ensure that notifications are enabled in your device settings. Lastly, monitor the notifications to troubleshoot any potential issues. With these steps completed, you should now have mobile notifications enabled in your FlutterFlow app using Expo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.